Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ramesh, laparoscopic surgeon from Bangalore. So I didn't have much idea about this robotic surgery training program with Mishra sir. With a friend, with a good friend, I joined here. It's a wonderful robotic training program for 4 days. We have an intense training program from morning to evening, and it is very much enjoyable, and every laparoscopic surgeon should consider doing robotic surgery with Mishra sir, which is a 4 days intensive program. So this is a very good eye opener for me to get into robotic world. So it is just name is not World Laparoscopic Surgery. It's really the eye opener for all the laparoscopic surgeons who wanted to learn robotic surgery and who want to initiate robotic surgery in their hospitals. So it's a very good place to start with and learn from him. So he's a down to earth person, highly knowledgeable, and he has got a huge experience in robotic surgery, and it is unbelievable. His teachings is the methodology of start from the scratch. So I didn't know anything about robotic surgery, so I'm confident enough to go back and start robotic surgery in the place where I'm practicing in Bangalore. So I'm sure, and I'll going to start with it. So big thanks to Mishra sir, Balla sir, and the whole team, and the whole very good paramedical team, which they work very hard from morning to evening, late in the evening, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, with the same enthusiasm and with the same happiness they will teach us. So thanks to everyone in World Laparoscopy Hospital. So thanks to Mishra sir.
Dr. Mohammed, Professor of Surgical Oncology in National Cancer Institute in Egypt. It is a great pleasure for me to be present here. Was a very successful training course. This was a very good experience, and I want to thank you for your great help and support. And I invite all my colleagues to come here in this big center to take a very good experience and a big certificate. Thank you for all.
Hi, I'm Dr. Nilesha Chitre. I'm a practicing laparoscopic gynecologist at Russell Khaimah Hospital, UAE. I'm currently attended the fellowship in robotic surgery workshop here at World Laparoscopy Hospital, and I would definitely recommend it to everyone. We have got an extensive hands-on training for the robotic surgery, for the dissection, as well as the laparoscopy, robotic suturing, and that has boosted my confidence that I would be able to apply those skills in my real practice. Thank you, and never the last but not the least, Dr. Shadab and everyone who assisted us for the hands-on training. Thank you so much. Thank you.
My name is Dr. Seifu Alamu. I came from Ethiopia, East Africa, for this international fellowship in robotic training. And I found the situation here very, very fantastic. So the program is well organized, well informative, and all the team, including Professor R.K. Mrisha and remaining, all the teams are fantastic throughout the process. They were very helpful, and in the process, I have acquired really a very adequate and fantastic skill and knowledge, which would help to pursue my practice as a minimal access surgeon fully in the future. And I really thank you. I would like to appreciate. Yeah, that was a very nice experience, and thank you very much for the time we have here. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Srinivas and I'm from Hyderabad. I attended this fellowship in robotic surgical fellowship course. It was a very nice, well-structured, organized, in-depth program. Very happy. Lectures by the Mishra sir are very good, and especially the help by the assistant boys, Shadab and Motin were very helpful for us. Thank you all.
I'm Dr. Veena from Bangalore. I'm practicing in my own hospital. I've come here to do the robotic course. The course is amazing and the knowledge of Mishra sir is no words to explain. Even if you don't know anything from scratch, you can learn from him. And these 4 days, it was really hands-on training with basic from holding the instruments, managing how to docking and doing the surgical knots and different varieties of knots, dissection, everything went on well and it gave us real confidence to go back to my native place and start surgery. I am really thankful to the sir and to the World Laparoscopy Center. Nobody should think twice to start their training from this center. That is my suggestion for all of you.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Jagdish, consultant surgical oncologist from JJ Medical Center, Salem, Tamil Nadu. I came here for a fellowship in robotic surgery. This is a very good place to learn from basics, and we have seen so many cases, video lectures, and we have attended dry lab, wet lab, and we have trained the tap through animals. And I want to appreciate the people who are working in OT here. They are not looking at the time from morning to evening. They are very well cooperating us. They are the main tool in educating us. And I also appreciate other coordinates and other people working here. And I want to thank Professor Mishra sir and Balla sir for eye-opening of this workshop and fellowship course. I strongly suggest all others to know about laparoscopy and robotic surgery. Please come here and get more knowledge from here. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Anuradha from Hyderabad, working at Ankura Hospital for Women and Children. I've come here to World Laparoscopy Hospital to learn the robotic surgery, and I'm glad sir has organized such a fellowship over here. In the last 4 days, it was a thorough learning about robotics, both SS Mantra and also about the Da Vinci. I was totally, I had no idea at all about the robotics, but after sir's lectures and knowledge, I think definitely I have learned a lot from here and I've gained a lot also. And thank you so much, sir. I think Dr. Mishra is very knowledgeable. Dr. Balla is also very good. Dr. Shadab and all the technicians too have done a great job, both at the robo and as well as at the lab trainers also, and including all the other paramedical staff also. They've been great people. The place has been very comfortable. The food also has been very nice. Thank you all. Thank you so much.